Okay, so starting off, I already washed my hair and it is in a turban, but we're gonna go ahead and take that out. And I kind of had it in there for a little bit, so I do have a spray bottle that I'll probably spray my hair down with just to get it a little bit wetter. Okay, and then I start off by just parting my hair. And then I always like to put the first product in before I brush or comb out my hair. And as you guys know, my favorite product, so we're going to be going in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I literally use this all the time. This is my favorite. I feel like my curls are just more defined with it. So I do put this product in my hair a lot. After that's all combed out, we're gonna go in with the next product to go in with. Okay, so after that's combed in, I like to go in with the next product, and it's going to be this Shea Moisturizer, just extra moisturizing transitioning milk. And I just get a little bit more than a quarter size amount there. Since this is like my routine before I go to bed, I don't really put a lot of products in besides like leave-in conditioners, just because my hair is still transitioning and I have like a lot of damage on the end still, so I like to have a lot of conditioning in my hair. Next product I'm going to go in with is this coconut oil hair milk smoothie, and it's just from Palmer's. I put about this amount, and I'm going to tip my head upside down. The last thing I like to go in with is this Shea Moisturizer 100% coconut oil leave-in conditioner treatment. And then I just like to spray some of my hand here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but and then that way it just gets everywhere instead of like spraying areas, because obviously I can't see the back of my head. Put your hair up. I always like to use the pineapple method, and if you don't know what that is, I'll show you today. The hair tie I'm going to be using is like this. It doesn't have like the elastic band in it. It's just like the material without the elastic band. This just helps your hair not get kinked like from the rubber band itself. So that's why I use this when I do the pineapple method. So when I take it down in the morning, then there won't be that, like that little kink in it. But basically you just want to flip your hair up or over. You're going to grab everything, and you just want to be gentle. You don't want to grab too tight and like pull your curls too much. Basically you want to get it like this, and I always put it like right on the top of my head, like the crown area, and I just go over one time. This is gonna be like super loose, and basically this is it. Obviously my hair is super long, so I can't keep it like this. And then you just want to get a silk scarf, have one here. And I always just put the 2 points together, so it's like this. Basically, you just want to wrap it behind, and then you're going to tie your hair, tie the wrap in the front, like this. And since mine's not long enough, I always just wrap it twice in the front, just because it won't go all the way over. And then I kind of just tuck these guys in. And then to take this extra piece here, I just like lightly kind of tuck all the hair inside as best. And obviously it's like super loose, so we're gonna take the end and then I just push it through here. So basically like this. And then I'll usually just go to sleep like this. And in the morning, obviously I'll take it out. Be super gentle when you take it out in the morning, so you're not like pulling your hair and messing with the curls. But that's really it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. And I'll see you guys soon.